Okay, just a short video here on how not to split timber whenever you're screwing it. I've got two pieces of timber here. I've got some molded timber that you use on decorative panels and your walls in your house and your stairs. Quite thin on the edges, is problematic splitting whenever you're nailing or screwing into it. Also just thin bit of paneling timber as well. And I'll just show you. I'll start off here doing what you basically do. Get your screw, starting it slowly, right away split the wood. So annoying but easy trick to solve. Get your cordless, just drill a hole. I'll hold down on this, hole in the wood. You can see it's just a light hole. Screw it in. There you go. Perfect. Don't ask me why it does that. It just does. It says very, very handy wee trick. Now for the next piece of wood, your decorative wood here. So the same again. Screwing in your timber. Split your wood. Frustrating, especially if you're trying to make it all look good. Just flip this around the other way. There we go. Same again. Just drill it. I'll put a bit of weight on this. I haven't got my bench with me. There you go. Hole in it. There you go. Don't ask me again how it does it, but that's the trick. So hopefully you'll have good fun trying this out. All right, thank you.